Hey guys, it's Charlie, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get an EIN for your business for free. Now, a lot of services, they charge about $50 to do this for you, but in just a few minutes, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's super easy. The IRS allows you to do this for free, and it just takes a few steps on their website. Now, if you don't know what an EIN is, it basically stands for Employer Identification Number. You can sort of think of an EIN as a social security number for a business, right? So you yourself have a social security number, but for a business, they're not gonna have an SSN. They're gonna have something called an EIN. This basically allows the IRS to track your business. And yeah, if you're trying to hire employees, or you're trying to file your taxes, or you're trying to open up a business bank account, you will need to have an EIN. So the first important step is that you get to the right website. Now, if you guys search up EIN on Google, there are gonna be a lot of sponsored things that come up, and these are basically services that help get your EIN for you. So like I said earlier, those cost some money, but we can do this absolutely for free. So we'll leave a link down below to the official IRS website, and when you click on that link, it's gonna get to a page that looks just like this. So you can select your language. We'll stick with English for now. As you guys can see, there's step 1, which is determine your eligibility. So yes, your business must be located in the US or US territories. The person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number, so an SSN, ITIN, or EIN, and you can basically only get one EIN per day. Step 2 is just understanding the online application. Super easy. I'll show you guys in this video. And then step 3 is to click apply online right now. So we will get this little notice right here. Just click OK. And what we're going to do is come here and click begin application. So the first part of this is the identify section, and basically they're going to be asking what type of legal structure is applying for an EIN. So you will be doing this after you set up your LLC or corporation or whatever it is. But yeah, choose accordingly. And let's say you have an LLC that you were trying to get an EIN for. We will select this. Now we'll click continue. So now it's going to confirm your choice. So you have chosen limited liability company. Obviously this is going to be different depending on what you choose. It's going to confirm what constitutes this type of business entity. Make sure this matches the current business that you have. And if it doesn't, click back and select the right one. So we'll just click continue right here. And now it's going to ask us how many members are in the LLC. So since my LLC is just myself, I'll put 1 right here, but select accordingly. And then please select the state/territory where the business is physically located. So I'm in California, so I'm going to select that. So of course, choose the state that your business is in. Now we are going to click continue. So now it's going to ask us to confirm our selection. So LLC looks good. So we'll click continue. Now it's going to ask us, why is the LLC requesting an EIN? So we're going to choose the reason that applies. So if you just start a new business, you'll likely select this one, but you can select hired an employee. You want to have a business bank account, you're changing the type of organization, or you purchased an active business. For most of you guys, you'll probably be selecting start a new business because that's when most people actually apply for the EIN. So we'll click continue now. Now we're going to enter in information about the responsible party of the business. So this must match IRS records. That's very important. So I'm going to fill this out. Obviously for the SSN, I'm not going to put my real one for this video. We'll then choose one of these. So I'm one of the owners, members, or the managing member of this LLC, or I am a third party applying for an EIN on behalf of this LLC. So since it is me, the owner, applying, I'll select this one and we'll click continue. Next, we're going to enter in our address. So you'll have the street, the city, state, zip code, phone number, and then you have the option to select an address that's different from the above to have mail sent to. So I'm going to go ahead and fill all this out and click continue. After that, we'll enter in details about the business. So we're going to enter in the legal name of the business. And if you did file articles of organization, it must match that. If you do have a trade name or doing business as name, you guys can enter that in right here. You're going to confirm the county where the business is located, the state where it's located, the state where the articles of organization are or will be filed. So we'll select California, and then the LLC start date. Next, we will click continue. It's going to ask us to fill out a quick questionnaire. So does your business own a highway motor vehicle with a taxable gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more? No. Gambling or wagering? No. Does your business need to file Form 720? We'll say no. Alcohol, tobacco, or firearms? No. Do you have or do you expect to have any employees who will receive W-2s in the next 12 months? Fill out accordingly, but we'll just say no for now. Then I'll click continue. What does your business or organization do? So we'll choose one of these categories that best describes the business. It might take a while to read through these, but make sure you choose the correct one. I'm gonna go with other for now and click continue. And it's gonna have me enter in a little bit more information. I'll select consulting, then click continue. And finally, it's gonna ask you, how would you like to receive your EIN confirmation letter? So I always just get it online since that's a lot faster. But if you do want to receive a letter in the mail, you guys can absolutely check this one. Just know that it can take up to 4 weeks for delivery. So for most of you guys, I just recommend receive the letter online right now, and that's going to give you your EIN immediately. After that, I'll click continue, and then I'll immediately have access to the new EIN I just applied for. So yeah, that's basically how you you guys can apply for an EIN for your business for free right now. As you guys saw, it was super easy. Make sure it's the official IRS website and not a third-party one, because that is going to charge you money. And again, you need this EIN to file your taxes, open up a business bank account, or to hire employees. And yeah, every real business in the US should have an EIN. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, do us a favor and click that like button, and also subscribe for more content just like this. Every video on this YouTube channel is dedicated to helping you start and grow your business. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.